Okay, welcome back to my class. We are discussing measures of central tendency. In the previous classes, we have already discussed the first measure of central tendency, that is arithmetic mean. Today, we'll discuss the another measure of central tendency, and that is median. Median, let us see, median is that positional value of a variable that divides the series that divide the distribution into two equal parts. So I have already written the definition of median. Let us say median is that positional value of the variable which divides the distribution into equal parts. The median is the middle element when the data set is arranged in order of the magnitude. It means middle element. Median is the middle element of the arranged data, which means when we arrange the data, the most middle value of the distribution is known as median. Let us see calculation of median. We'll discuss the calculation of median in case of individual series, in case of discrete series, and in case of continuous series. So let us see one by one. So computation of median in individual series. So here we'll take one example in order to calculate the median for the individual series. I'm taking the example taken given in our NCERT book. So suppose we have the following observation in a data set. We have the different observation in a data set 5, 7, 6, 1, 8, 10, 12, 4, and 3. So these numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 observations are given. So first step is that we have to arrange the data in ascending order. So we can arrange this data. So lowest one will write 1, then next is 3, then 4, this 4, then 5 is given, then 6 is given, 7 is given, 8 is given, 9 is not given, 10 is given, 12 is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the 9 numbers. So this is called arranged series. So here it is a middle element when the data set is arranged. It means, let us see, this middle element is 6. It means 6 is known as median. But in our test book, let us see, one formula is also given to calculate the median. If we'll use the observation, then 6 is the median. If we'll use the formula, then we can use this formula. Median is equal to size of, let us see, n plus 1 divided by 2th item. So here size of n plus 1. N means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 number of observation is 9. It means 9 plus 1 divided by 2. 2th item. It means, let us see, this is 10 divided by 2. This is 9 plus 1, 10. 10 divided by 2. This is called 5th item. 5th item. It means size of 5th item 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th. So this 6 is called 5th item, and this 6 is known as median. So this 6 is called median. So this is the calculation of median for odd numbers. When odd numbers are given, here number is 9 numbers are given. But if even numbers are given, then how can we calculate the median? So when the even numbers are given, then again we have to arrange the data. The first step is that we have to arrange the data in ascending order, and then let us see two middle value will be taken, their sum will be taken, and they will be divided by 2, and that can give us the median. But this same formula can also be used. Let us see another example, example number 2 about your textbook. The following data provides marks of 20 students. Calculate median marks. So here let us see the marks of 20 students are given. This is 25, 20, 72, 28, 65 up to 33. And this is the marks obtained by 20 students. And what can we do? We had to arrange the data in an ascending order. So I have already arranged in order to save the time 25, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 33, 35, 42, 40, 46, 40, 44, sorry, 45, 46, 47, 48, 51, 52, 53, 54, 60, 65, and 70. So what can we do? We can use either, let us see, we can take the middle two value. We can take the middle two value. We'll take the sum of the middle two value and we will divide by 2. Let us see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 9 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 9 values. It means middle one is this 2 value. So median will be equal to this middle one, 45 plus 46 divided by 2. And here let us see, this is 91 divided by 2, and this is will be equal to 45.5. So 45.5 is the median marks. This same can be calculated using this formula. This median, you are knowing, is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item. Here let us see, n is equal to 20. 1 to the 20 students are there. 20 plus 1 divided by 2th item. It means, let us see, this is 21 divided by 2. This is 10.5th item. So whenever this type of things is given, let us see how can we calculate this. Median will be equal to, median is equal to 10th item. Size of 10th item plus size of more than 10. It means 11th item. 11th item. And this whole divided by 2. So 10th item, let us see, this is 9. The 10th one is 45. And 11th, size of 11th item, 11th one is 46. And this divided by 2. And this will be again 45.5. So this is the calculation of median for even number. This is odd number, this is even number. We can write here, this is the even number. Here let us see, this is given odd number. So I think this is clear. Next one is the discrete. The discrete series are given. It means observations are given and corresponding frequencies are given. Then how can we calculate the median? So in order to calculate the median for discrete series, we have to compute the cumulative frequency. Let us do this. So here I have written, in case of discrete series, the position of median, that is n plus 1 divided by 2th item, can be located through cumulative frequency, the corresponding value at this position is the value of median. So let us take one example given our textbook. The frequency distribution of the number of persons and their respective incomes are given below. Calculate the median income. Here the income are given and here the number of persons are also given. So let us see the 2 person having income 10 rupees, 4 person having the 20 rupees income, 10 person having the 30 rupees income, 4 person having the 40 rupees income. Let us see how can we compute the median for discrete series. In the solution, let us see, we will write 10, this 20, this 30 and 40. Then here it is given 2, then 4, then 10, then 4. Then we can find out the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, this 2 will be written over here. This 2 plus 4, this is 6. 6 plus 10, this is 16. And 16 plus 4, this is 20. So here the total number is 20. It means 20 persons are here. So let us see how can we calculate. So median formula you are knowing. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item. So n is, let us see how many numbers are there. 20. N means this is total is 20. So this is 20 plus 1 divided by 2th item. 2th item. So this is 21 divided by 2. 21 divided by 2th item. And this will be 10.5th item. So this 10.5th item, we have to see where this 10.5th item will locate into the cumulative frequency. So let us see, obviously 10.5 is more than 2. It is also more than 6. But it is not more than 16. It means it is this median will lie corresponding to 16. It means median will lie corresponding to this 16. And this 30, let us see, this median is, it means median income is this 30. So 30, rupees 30 we can say, this rupees 30 is known as median income. So this 30 is corresponding, there it is written, the corresponding value at this position is the value of median. It means corresponding to this value is the median. So 30 rupees is the median. Let us see the calculation of median for continuous. So when continuous series are given, then how can we compute the median value? Let us see. In case of continuous series means group data. When group data are given, median is located where n upon 2th item lies. Not in the previous discrete series, we have seen n plus 1 divided by 2th item. But here let us see, median will lie where this n upon 2th item lies. The median can be obtained using this formula. L1 median is equal to L1 plus n upon 2th item n upon 2th, or n upon 2 we can write n upon 2 minus CF divided by F multiplied by H. Let us see what is this. N means total number of frequency divided by 2. This CF, L means lower limit of the median class. CF means cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. F frequency of the median class. H magnitude of the median class. One question I have taken, find median for the following data. Here marks given, 3 students have got the marks 0 to 10, 4 students have got the marks between 10 to 20. 2 students have got the marks between 20 to 30. 7 students have got the marks between 30 to 40. 10 students have got the marks between 40 to 50. And we have to compute the median. So in the solution, we'll take, let us see, the marks. Marks is given. First column, we'll take the marks. Here, second column, number of students means frequency. And third column is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. CF. So let us see this 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30, 40, 40 and 50. Is given 3, 4, 2, 7 and 10. Okay, let us calculate the cumulative frequency. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 2, 10, 26. So here the number will be 26. Here what can we do? We can find out n upon 2. N upon 2. N upon 2 means 26 divided by 2. This is 13. So 13, let us see. Where we'll see the 13, where the 13 lies. 13 will lie certainly more than 9. More than 9. This is, so median class will be median class. Median class. And median class is 30 to 40. It means our median will lie in between 30 to 40. So let us put in the formula. Median is equal to this formula we have taken. This L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF divided by F multiplied by H. Here let us see L1. L1 means lower limit. This is 30. Here let us see n upon 2 we have calculated CF. This is called CF. It means CF is cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So this is 9. CF is 9. H, magnitude or height of the median class, 10, and this is 30 and 40, the difference. So this is 10. We can put in the formula. This F, this is F, frequency. Frequency of the median class, frequency of the median class, this 7, here 7. We can put in the formula, this 30, n upon 2, we have got 13, this is 13, minus CF, CF is 9, F is 7, into H, H is 10. This is 30, this is here 40, 4 divided by 7. So here let us see 40, we can write 40. So this 30, 40 divided by 7. 40 divided by 7. So 5.71. It means 35.71. This is the find median for the flowing. So this is marks. So median marks is 35.71. I think this calculation is clear to all of you. Okay, thank you.